Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of muting message and call notifications in Facebook Messenger on your PC. If you want to have uninterrupted chats and calls, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook and log into your account. Step 2. Look for the Messenger icon located on the top right-hand corner of your Facebook homepage and click on it. Step 3. Scroll through your chats to find the desired conversation. Step 4. Once you've found it, click on the 3 dots next to the chat. Step 5. A menu will appear. Select Mute Notifications. Step 6. Another menu will appear. This time, select Mute Message and Call Notifications. Step 7. Click on Next to proceed. Step 8. Choose the desired time period for muting the message and call notifications. Step 9. Finally, click on Mute to confirm. And there you have it. You've successfully muted message and call notifications in Facebook Messenger on your PC. Now you can enjoy uninterrupted chats and calls without any distractions. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.